Oof. Why couldn't I control my speed? No. Play some other song, please. Brother Ratul and Nipa, it's your turn to dance now.
Yes. It's our turn now. Sandy, can we have our song, please? Oh, yes. Absolutely. Nipa, are you ready? Okay, everyone, please pardon us if we make a mistake. We didn't get much time to rehearse, so we'll do as much as we can. So, is that
Why do
okay?
you worry, Ratul? We will enjoy whatever performance you give.
Come on, Sandy.
Yes.
Play the music.
Of course.
Ah. Sandy,
Tell me.
can you imagine? He is my brother.
And she's my sister.
They've made us proud.
Right.
Okay, fine. I think we should leave now. So much chores are left at home. I belong to both the bride and the groom side after all.
You're not alone, Nanda. Me too.
What?
No, what I mean to say is I also belong to both the groom and the bride side.
Oh, yes.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done talking? Hey,
Oh.
Nanda, why do you have to go now? Stay for a little more time. This kind of fun doesn't happen all the time. And Mithai is yet to perform. Mithai, here, come here. I want you to give a solo dance performance. What say, everyone?
Yes,
you must.
What?
No. Why should I give a solo performance here? There are people present here who cannot tolerate Mithai's dance. Mithai doesn't have any control on her limbs, they claim. She dances in high speed.
What's the matter? Why are you guys looking at me?
Expression. No. Actually, Mithai, if you can just tolerate Mithai's speed a bit, Sid, then you are about to witness a wonderful dance performance. I promise.
Listen, Siddharth, just imagine that it's a storm. Mithai always functions in high speed, right? Please.
Aunt, ask your genius not to go overboard. She'll definitely dance, so let her dance, but I'll sit away, and if there are fragile things around, then please keep them away, or she might just break them.
Okay, fine. Come, sit in the middle. Come. Sit down. Sit.
Hey, Mithai.
Yes?
Please dance now, please.
Mithai. For us, please. Please.
Now Mithai has no option but to dance. Brother Sandy, play a peppy song. Let me dance to my heart's content.
Right.
Aditya is calling. Hello, Aditya. No, I couldn't speak with anyone at home. Actually, the date is 27th and no one would want to postpone the wedding. Okay, have a word then. I'll also see what I can do. Look, I really want to go, but...
Nipa? Who had called up? Where do you want to go?
Sid... Actually, brother said I had a plan to go somewhere. But I am not going. Oh Lord, that is what I'm telling you. I couldn't gather the courage to speak at home about postponing the wedding. Okay, you had said that you will speak to brother. So did you speak to him? Listen, okay, I'll call you later.
Hey, Nipa. Stop talking to your friends over the phone now. And what are you wearing? Where is Sari? Everyone will be arriving in no time. The wedding is around the corner. Guests are visiting frequently. Please wear a sari now.
Grandma, why are you asking her to wear a sari? Poor thing. Aunt Sushmita has already seen her wearing salwar suit. Okay, tell me, where are the rest of the people? Dad, the tea is ready. Is Grandpa in his room?
Yes.
Let me give him the tea.
Mithai, forget what Sri said. Make Nipa wear a sari.
Sure. Did you hear what grandmother said?
Mom, what are you asking Nipa to do? Why does she need to wear a sari? Let her wear whatever she feels comfortable in. Nipa, come here, please.
Hey, Nipa. What happened? What are you doing? Uncle is calling you.
Sorry, uncle, I couldn't.
No, 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 it's absolutely fine. Take a look and tell me if you like it.
Oh my! Uncle, is this for me?
Yes.
Grandma, see this? Isn't it beautiful?
Really beautiful.
Mom, see this? See this?
Hmm.
Hey,
very
Shri, come
nice.
here and see this.
Very nice.
Mithai,
Great. I'm glad she liked the necklace.
see this? Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, this is so nice. Shall I help you wear it?
I was a little apprehensive. Actually, I have no idea of latest fashion and styles. First, I had thought that I'll take Shri along with me to the jewelers, but that didn't happen.
Sister Nipa, you're looking so pretty in this necklace.
Really? Hey, Shri, let me take a picture.
Yes.
That's it. Here she goes. One more selfie. Auntie, no matter what, you can't stop Nipa from taking selfies.
Sister Nipa, father is also here. Ask father to take a selfie with you since you're looking so pretty.
Should I?
Yes.
Hey, Shri, should I ask him? Why don't you ask him? Go. Let's go.
Yes, go.
Dad, Nipa wants to get a photo clicked along with you.
With me? Come on, come on.
Go. Let's take a picture then.
Go ahead.
Hey, Shri, you also come.
Listen to me. Click a nice picture.
Wait, one more, please.
One more.
Yes, this one. Let's see this one. This is a nice
Yes,
photo.
yes, this one is
This
nice.
is
Hmm,
fine. Hey,
nice.
Mithai! See this photo? Isn't this nice?
Very nice, Sister Nipa.
Hey, come on, show it
See
to me.
this.
What? Sister Nipa, listen. Well, you take a picture along with father, Sid, and sister Shri. I'm sure that you don't have any photo like that. It will be great. Go get a selfie clicked.
Impossible, Mithai.
Hmm?
Please don't do all that now.
Brother Sid? I wanted to ask you, me, uncle, and Shri. Can we all take a picture together? I want to upload it.
That's it. We are doomed. Now wait for the eruption of lava.
Listen, Siddharth. Nipa will leave this house after she gets married. Please don't dishearten her.
Yes, right. Once Nipa gets married and goes to her in-laws' place, we will miss her demands, isn't it, Mom?
Where do I have to stand? Tell me.
Me! I'll do it. Come on, come on. I'll click this picture. Nipa, turn on the camera.
Yes. Wait. Here you go.
Give it to me.
Take a nice
Okay.
photo.
Please take position, everyone.
Come this side.
This side. Brother Sid, this side. Come on. Inside. Oh, okay. Done.
Here you go.
Okay. Brother Sid, little bit left. Okay. Fine. Right. Uncle, is everyone ready?
Yes, yes.
Smile, please. One more, please. Sorry, very sorry. I think we have arrived at a wrong time. A photo session is going on over here.
Absolutely not. You have come at the right time. It's not possible that a photo session won't happen when Nipa is present. Actually, our darling girl will leave this home and the house would seem empty. Anyway, please have a seat. Come, please.
She will be going from one family to another. Besides, you all will have Shri with you. Why are you feeling sad? Nipa can come to this house whenever she feels like. Just imagine. You all are feeling so sad that Nipa won't be living in this house anymore. Ratul has quit the job abroad. What would happen otherwise? Sulata, please say something.
Ratul has taken a great decision, Aunt Sushmita. If Nipa would have gone abroad, I would become very lonely. But of course, this is my opinion. I don't know what would Dad, Sid, or Aunt Sulata say about this.
Aunt Sushmita, please have a seat. I'm making Indian snack. I'll get it. Aunt Sulata, wait for a while. I'll bring the food right away.
I'm also coming to help you.
Shri, the girl still has burn on her hand. Please take care of that.
Um, I just want to talk to Nipa.
Hey Shri. Hey Shri.
What?
What happened? Hey, tell me what happened.
Sid said that. Forget it. Hey, Mithai, do you know what Sid just told me? He said that the burn in your hand. He said that your hand still has the burn injury. He asked me to take care of you. Can you imagine this?
What?
Yes.
This is just amazing.
Sister Shri, since I have helped him, grandfather's grandson isn't being able to forget that. Actually, he has never taken any favor from anyone before. So, it's being very difficult for him to accept the fact. That's why he's so much concerned about Mithai.
Mithai! Hey, Mithai! Are you making the right consistency for the sweets or do I have to intervene?
Grandfather, here you go. Taste and tell me if it's all right.
Mmm! Amazing! You have made it very nice. Since this sweet isn't too sweet, everyone can eat this and everyone will like this. How many sweets did you make today?
I have made 150 pieces for the Bhawanipur outlet. And since we all have guests coming over frequently, so I have kept 50 pieces aside at home.
Okay.
150 pieces for Bhawanipur outlet. Jadavpur and Hazra also gave the same order, right? Haven't you made those? Didn't Som inform anything? Dad, I have stopped talking to Som. He just doesn't seem interested to work these days.
Wait, Samresh.
Why do you worry, grandfather? I will make all the sweets that is required. There isn't any chores left to be done now, and everyone will return home after finishing the shopping.
That's the right thing to do, Dad. We can't afford to incur losses. The customers surely had ordered in advance.
No way, Grandpa. Mithai won't make sweets anymore.
What?
Look at this, Grandpa. The injury on her hand hasn't healed yet. But she works all day long with this condition. Grandpa, I don't know what Mithai is trying to prove. It's not possible for her to make so many sweets in such conditions. I can't let her do that.
So should I shut down the business? She has taken some responsibility in our business, and it was given by your own grandpa.
No, father. I will make the sweets in a jiffy. I won't let the business incur any loss. I will make
Mithai,
it.
wait. Don't try and be great, all right? Grandpa, I want to know your opinion. I mean, even if the business incurs loss for a day or two, is it okay to risk your employees' health? Please tell me that.
No, it's not okay at all. Especially in this case because she isn't any common employee. She's still the daughter-in-law of this house.
Why is he so worried about Mithai's health? Oh Lord, Mithai knows why Sid is so concerned. Yet Mithai feels like indulging the thought that Sid really worries about my well-being and is not doing it to return a favor. But whatever I'm thinking isn't true, oh Lord. This isn't true, is it?
In that case, I think whatever I was saying is right. Anyway, Grandpa, I'm getting late for office. I have to go. Aunt Revati, how come you're here? When did you come?
Just a while ago.
Oh, Mrs. Roy, please come inside and have a seat. Please.
Sid, please wait for a while. Actually, I will submit the divorce papers at the court today, so I've come here to do the final discussion with you all. I also want to know, Uncle, when I can keep the hearing date.
All that will happen later. Please have a seat first.
Uncle, I've brought these papers. Please, can you check these ones? Sid, you too check, please.
Aunt, Grandpa clearly said that everything will happen after Neepa and Ratul's wedding, right? So, let's wait till the wedding gets over. After that, you can submit the papers. It's all the same.
Oh Lord. What all is happening? What is Sid trying to do?
Anyway, I'm getting late, so I have to leave.
Wait a minute. Dad, ask your grandson what problem. Does he have to get the divorce case filed? Both Mithai and Sid have already signed the papers.
Signing the divorce papers isn't everything, Grandpa. I have a few issues which needs to be cleared first.
Issue? What issue?
By issues, Grandpa, I mean, where will Mithai live after the divorce? What will she do? Actually, Mithai hasn't joined this business as an employee. She's joined the business in a completely different way, and Mithai lives in this house, so where will she go after the divorce? I mean, will she have the same privileges or...
Sid, aren't you overthinking about it?
Aunt, how can I not think about this? Actually, Aunt, Mithai's mom, Aunt Parvati, and my mom used to be very good friends. She's too unwell now. And she'll be too shocked when she'll get to hear about this divorce. In fact, I think she'll be devastated. So I have to consider about her health too. And if Mithai travels daily from Chennai, then I have to speak to Aunt Parvati about that as well. Actually, We all are aware about how Mithai travels on her world-famous bicycle. That's why I was saying, Aunt, let Nipa's wedding get over and then we can come to a conclusion.
Siddharth, I feel this kind of concern for your grandma. Why are you having the same kind of feeling?
I'm having the feeling because Mithai has saved my life, risking her own life. And I'll remember this for the rest of my life, Grandpa. So there's no way that I won't have this much concern for her. In fact, why only me? Anyone in my place would have been concerned about her. Anyway, I'm getting late. I should leave now. I'll see you later.
Sure.
Aunt.
Hmm?
Is Tess coming back tomorrow?
Yes, that's what the plan is.
Actually, I might have to take a few days leave from the office because of Nipa and Ratul's wedding, and that'll be possible only if Tess is in town, or else...
Of course.
Excuse me.
Bye. Uncle, I should take your leave now. We'll discuss after Nipa's wedding.
Okay. Keep the papers with you and you are invited for
Yes,
the wedding.
Uncle. Are the preparations going fine? Please let me know if I can be of any help.
Of course. Do you have a car or should I drop you
No,
somewhere?
I've got my car.
Okay.
Bye, Uncle.
Yes.
Let me walk you out.
I have something to say. Let Tess come back. Don't be tensed at all.
Okay.
Everything will be taken care of.
Please come.